Greetings everyone. Our topic for PBL is solar cars, and the group members are Prem, Samir, Gauri, Shubham, and myself Swaraj. So basically, a solar car is powered by sun's energy. The solar array collects the energy from the sun and convert it into usable electrical energy. Power trackers convert it into the required voltage, and motor controller sends power to the motor. It is divided into 5 main parts, that is driver control and mechanical system, electrical system, drivetrain, solar array, and body and chassis. Let us look at the standard features of driver control and mechanical systems. Steering. Precise steering alignment. Sunrunner utilized a rack and pinion system that was attached to the steering arms by means of tie rods. Brake. Designed to move freely by eliminating brake drag. Hydraulic disc brakes. Regenerative braking. Suspension. Front suspension. McPherson struts or double A arms. McPherson strut requires a large vertical clearance. Double A arms require less vertical clearance but consist of more components. Rear suspension is a trailing arm similar to that in motorcycles. Wheels. Rolling resistance, 3 or 4 wheels. Wheels designs are similar to those in bicycle tires. This is an overview of driver controls and mechanical systems. Let's move to the next component, that is electrical system. It is made up of batteries and power electronics. Batteries such as lead acid, nickel metal hydride, nickel cadmium, lithium ion. Tesseract uses 512 Li-ion batteries. Peak power trackers maximize the power, protect the batteries from being damaged by overcharging, and its efficiency is above 95%. Motor controllers decide how much current actually reaches the motor, and it is up to 90% efficient. This is the energy flow diagram of a solar car. Let's move to the next component, that is drivetrain. It consists of the electric motor and the means by which the motor's power is transmitted to the wheels. Power generated is less than 5 HP. Only one wheel in the rear of the car is driven by the electric motor. Motor types are brushed DC, dual winding DC brushless, and induction. Dual winding DC brushless are used as an electronic transmission, and types of transmissions are variable ratio belt drive and hub motor. Next component is solar array. It is made from silicon by joining an N-type and a P-type semiconductor, grouped into space grade and terrestrial grade categories. This is the representation of a solar array. Next component is body and chassis, and the generalized goal is to minimize the aerodynamic drag, maximize the exposure to solar insulation, minimize weight, and maximize safety. Body shapes: unified aero body and panel, fixed or tilting, flat panels with a separate driver cab, catamaran shape, and uniquely designed shape. Maize and Blue and Sunrunner are catamaran shaped. Here you can see unified aero body and panel, separate cab and panel, catamaran shape, and unique shapes. Chassis, space frame. It is welded tube structure to support the loads and the body. Body is lightweight, non-load bearing, and composite shell. Semi-monocoque or carbon beam, composite beams and bulkheads to support the loads, integrated into a non-load bearing composite belly pan. Monocoque uses the body structure to support the loads. Here are a few characteristics that add up to the advantages of solar car. It is extremely reliable, comfortable, be able to function on its own. It maintains the required speed. Amenities such